Hello, in this video I will show you how to activate WhatsApp, Facebook and other social media notifications on HiwatchPro smartwatch. As you can see, WhatsApp messages are currently not available on my smartwatch, even if I am receiving messages on my phone. First step, activate Bluetooth and GPS location on your phone, and make sure your phone has an internet connection. Next step, install HiwatchPro application on your phone and connect the smartwatch to your phone, as shown in the video. If you have already done this step, you can skip the video to where the arrow is pointing. After connecting the smartwatch to your phone, follow the steps shown to activate WhatsApp, Facebook and other social media notifications. As you can see, WhatsApp notifications and calling function are now available on my smartwatch. Here is how to change the wallpaper on this smartwatch. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to my channel.